Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Get Assist, and today I have got something really exciting for all the Poco fans out there. Yes, Poco has just launched their brand new Poco F7 5G, and trust me, this phone is all set to redefine what we all expect from a flagship level processor to an incredible camera setup. There is a lot more packed into this device. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into its extravagant features. Starting off with the design, the F7 5G comes with a premium glass back with Gorilla Glass Victus protection, which is sturdy but yet feels classy when held in hand. It is slim, it is lightweight, and available in two elegant colors, Nebula Purple and Stellar Black, which adds a luxurious touch every time you pull it out of your pocket. Now let's just talk about the display, which is one of the best available in this segment. You get a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and 1800 nits peak brightness. Now coming to the performance of this smartphone. Poco has powered this beast with the Snapdragon 8S Generation 3 processor, which is based on a 4nm architecture, ensuring top-notch efficiency and speed. Pair this up to 12GB LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. You get lightning fast app launches, zero lags while multitasking, and the ability to play even the heaviest games like BGMI or Genshin Impact with high settings with zero frame drops. Moving to the camera, which is quite extravagant for its price. On the rear, you get a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 main sensor with OIS, which captures brilliant shots with stunning clarity and dynamic range even in low light. There is a 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera for those scenic landscapes and a 2-megapixel micro lens for close-up details. For selfies, there is a 16-megapixel front camera, which is great for video calls and Instagram reels, and it even supports 4K recording on the front, which is rare in this price range. The battery and charging are the two things where Poco take things to the next level. This means that only 10 minutes of charging can give you hours of usage, which is a good to go option for people who are always on the go. It runs on HyperOS based on Android 14, which gives you a more cleaner, smoother, and good user experience with minimal bloatware. Additional features include an in-display fingerprint sensor, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, and Wi-Fi 6E support. Lastly, talking about the price, the base variant of this smartphone is available at 29,999 only in India, which is an unbelievable deal considering all the valuable features it packs in. So that's a wrap up of our quick yet detailed overview of a smartphone that is Poco F7 5G. If you are someone who is looking for a smartphone under budget with flagship processor, stunning display, fast performance, and incredible camera setup, this smartphone is worth every single penny. If you have found this overview helpful, do like, share, and subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comment section. Which features are you excited about the most? And I will see you in the next one.